NCERT Physics Class 11 7th chapter, that is System of Particle and Rotational Motion, question number 7.30. So when this solid disk and ring of radius 10 cm are placed on horizontal table, they are given initial angular speed of 10 radian per second. Which of the two start rolling earlier? So as initially they have only angular velocity omega naught, so initially slipping would be there. So in order to prevent the slipping, the friction will act in this direction, forward direction, and due to this friction the acceleration will be in a forward direction, and this acceleration will increase the speed. And due to this frictional force, the torque is in opposite sense of omega naught, so the omega will decrease and linear speed will increase. After some time, let's say the angular speed of the object is omega final and the translation speed is Vf. So in order to have the pure rolling, we know that for pure rolling, V is equal to R into omega final. So omega final can be written as V final by R. Now looking to the situation, in this situation, we have two objects, one is disk and other is ring. So linear acceleration of body can be written as, in order to write the linear acceleration of body, so linear acceleration of the body can be written as frictional force by mass. As both have same mass, we can say that acceleration is equal to F by m. Frictional force, as slipping is there, the frictional force can be written as mu k into n, that is equal to mg, mu k mg divided by m. So acceleration, the translation acceleration which comes out to be mu k into g. Now moving to that angular acceleration alpha. So angular acceleration alpha can be written as torque is equal to I alpha. So from this expression, alpha is equal to torque by I. So in this situation, the torque is acting opposite sense. So it would be minus F into R upon I. So the value of friction is equal to mu m into g, and the value of moment of inertia can be written for different object. So in case of ring, the alpha 1 is equal to frictional force is equal to mu k mg into radius of ring upon moment of inertia of ring can be written as m into r square. So the alpha of ring comes out to be minus of mu k into r, mu k into g divided by r. And similarly for disk, the alpha 2 can be written as alpha 2 is equal to minus of mu k into mg into r divided by I. The moment of inertia for solid disk is equal to mr square by 2. So from this, the value of alpha 2 is comes out to be minus of 2 mu k into z divided by r. Once we have the value of alpha 1 and alpha 2, so now in the case of pure rolling, when v is equal to r omega, situation of pure rolling is that v final is equal to r omega. Now using speed equation, we can say that v equal to u plus at equation of motion can be used. So v final is equal to initial translation speed is 0 plus a acceleration that is equal to mu k into g into time. So in case of ring, we have, and this is equation of translational velocity, and similarly we can use the equation of rotational, that omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha into t. Now taking the situation one by one for ring and disk separately. Now in case of ring, for ring we can say that omega final can be written as v final by r. As from this we can say that omega final can be written as v final by r is equal to 0, v final by r plus omega naught my plus alpha 1 into t, and the value of alpha 1 in case of ring is as minus of mu k into g by r into time is t1. So from this we can say the value of time which comes about r omega naught upon 2 mu k into g. And for case of disk, we can say that omega final can be written as v final by r is equal to omega naught minus alpha into t plus alpha into t, and the alpha is negative in this sense, that is equal to minus of 2 mu k by r into z into T2. So from this, the value of T2, which comes about to be R omega naught upon 3 mu k into z. So from the expression, we can say that the value of T1 is greater than T2. It means the time taken by ring to start pure rolling is more than by disk. So time for pure rolling, ring will take more time. Ring will take more time for pure rolling.